This week we're at the International Builder Show here in Orlando, and we've looked at all kinds of products for the home. But a lot of companies feature ideas for your home, just like this one here at Marilat Cabinets. Now what they've done is some research that identifies 4 different types of families in the kitchens that they really want. The first one is called the career builders. Now the career builders are more interested in building their career than building the perfect meal. Their kitchen, very simplistic, kind of high-end materials so that they get the resale value they need when they're ready to sell that home. The next one is what we call the busy bees. Now the busy bees probably do less cooking and more dining out or takeout food, and they tend to be a little more disorganized. So a lot of the features in this kitchen is intended to get them a little more organized, and the kitchen just looks great. Now the next kitchen is one called the entertainer. You know, all of us know that cook that loves the gourmet meals, and they love to have everybody in their kitchen when they're preparing those meals. They also like a very unique look to their kitchen, and you can see the different finishes that were used here and the wonderful little cooking space, very spacious, great looking kitchen. Now the next one is one that maybe most of you can relate to, called the domestic dweller. Now this is a real family kitchen where a lot of activity here, people eating at the bar, the cook preparing all of the meals, and a lot of the features in this kitchen designed just to make the kitchen work a little smoother for that family. Now you should see all of the videos that Marilat has on their website that illustrates the different types of families that would use these type of kitchens. Kind of check it out and see which category you fit in.